My video is about removing the adware type software called NavigateEngine. NavigateEngine is the adware from the AdLoad family, and it now attacks Mac computers only. NavigateEngine adware shows its multiple and pretty intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. It may also cause unwanted browser redirections to random websites. Therefore, if this NavigateEngine was installed into your Mac system, make sure you undertake the measures and get rid of this NavigateEngine program. So, go to your applications, find this software and move it to the trash. My recommendation is that you additionally restart your computer with Combo Cleaner, which can be found on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and then begin researching the system with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.